We all love a good apocalypse movie. Its thrill and the survival skills the actor shows in it. But what happens when that movie becomes reality? In early December 2019, the first case of an unknown virus was found in Wuhan of China. What looked like a virus responsible for pneumonia, the outbreak turned out to be something very big. People getting affected by this mysterious respiratory virus started increasing in force. It spread like wildfire in hay, and it was soon when they started spreading throughout the world. An animal is said to be the source of this new virus, and Hunan seafood market in Wuhan is probably ground zero. China went into lockdown as soon as the death toll started rising up, and that was the beginning of a pandemic. Since then, it was spread to almost every country and has affected the populated ones very badly. Tourist places such as France and Spain. USA, which is one of the most powerful nations in the world, was struck down by this, and the number of deaths are up to 100,000 and still counting. Europe has become the epicenter of this pandemic. This outbreak might be the worst our generation will ever experience. As the world went into lockdown, the streets which were always filled with people and children are now deserted. The food markets which attracted all sorts of audience are now shut down. It is as if we are seeing a set of a movie, all empty. But first, let's talk about all the positive that has came out of this situation. People are staying at home and are appreciating the little things which seemed insignificant earlier. The norm of social distancing has brought humans closer, and people are appreciating what they have. But what after this? What will the world look like after surviving a global pandemic? Looking at what the future might bring, it is good to remember what Shakespeare once said, past is prolonged. Now let's look at cafes and restaurants around the world which are coming up with their inventive ideas post-lockdown. Some establishments have reduced the amount of seating available, while others opt to paint markings on the floor to keep customers separated. In Maryland, Fish Tales Bar and Grill transformed inflatable inner tubes into portable tables to keep customers 6 feet apart. And in Sweden, a restaurant called Board for N or Table for One is serving a single person every day by delivering food to a table in the middle of field via a basket on a rope pulley system. Burger King has launched giant social distancing crowns to make sure customers keep 6 feet apart. Burger King tweeted an image of 2 customers digging into a meal outside the store while using special social distancing crowns to stay safe. The post was captioned, "Distancing but make it fashion." One of the sectors worst affected by COVID-19 will be food services, estimated at Rs 4,23,865 crore in India and employing more than 700,000 people, according to the National Restaurant Association of India. A local gym in Hong Kong opened, and this is what someone tweeted. A measure taken to keep everybody at a safe distance and maintain social distancing. Although this isn't completely safe, and gym can be one of those places where the spread of virus can be immense, protective measures like this might help. Lucas, who tweeted the picture, says that at his Pure Fitness location in Hong Kong, we now have to fill out a short form with contact details, recent travel history, and state if we have had any contact with people who have tested positive for coronavirus, and members have to have their temperature taken upon entry to the gym, as is standard for most shops, bars and restaurants in Hong Kong, he says. Boss Dog Art Department is a small independent artist-owned company run by husband and wife duo Mike and Sam McKendy. Adorned with funky smiley faces and quirky faces like "Have a nice dystopia" and "Not today death," their masks offer some light-hearted comedic relief and remind us that even in time of crisis, there are reasons to laugh. We didn't want to create something overpriced or self-important. We priced them the same as we would a bandana and did some design that made us smile, he said. While trying to keep their business afloat, the couple is also donating 10% of the proceeds to One Fair Wage Emergency Workers Fund, an organization that assists laid-off service industry workers. many of our everyday fashion staples that we take for granted were once rooted in utility. Jeans were designed as a solution to miners' need for durable workwear. Pants were adopted by women when they entered the workforce in World War I, and the invention of casual sportswear coincided with the new fast-paced lifestyles of Americans in 1970s. So while face masks are now being adapted to reduce the spread of COVID-19, they are quickly becoming an everyday fashion accessory here to stay. While there are some who are keeping it low and simple, there are also brands who are going big. Louis Vuitton is seeking masks worth up to $1,800. I mean, are you really here for that life? No offense to Louis, but they too, aside from this absurdly priced mask, are doing something good. Louis Vuitton is converting 5 of its French workshops to make masks for frontline health workers. Michael Brook, chairman of LV, said hundreds of thousands of masks would be produced in workshops, which usually turn out designer clothes and luxury leather goods. Dior, which is also owned by LVMH, the world's biggest luxury good group, has been making masks since the end of last month for hospital staff. We see cautions like zero contact delivery and no cash transactions made by food delivery places, Amazon and other delivery services. Schools and colleges are shut down with online lectures being held. Online meetings happening in offices and safe distancing is maintained. Many countries are reopening parts of their economy gradually and slowly getting back on their feet. Basically, social distancing is the new normal, and not just for now but for the foreseeable future. What's the new normal for you? Thanks for watching this video. This was our first video, so hope you like it, and subscribe our channel for more of such videos. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay inside.